want to give you a review on this Tineco, however you say it. It's basically a 2-3-in-1 vacuum / mop, which is amazing if you have hardwood floors or tile or any hard surface. It can go on any of it. So all you have to do is you fill a little water and a little bit of the solution that it comes with. You put it in here and you just vacuum like normal. Show us how it works. It vacuums and mops and it dries instantly. It's not slippery. Makes the floor shine. Wow. You love it? I love it. It's worth it to me because I have a lot of hardwood floors.
Yes, you do. Look at all this.
I don't want to vacuum and sweep and then mop. We all do it all together.
Awesome.